Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to implement pagination inside React.js application using a module called as react-pagination-library. So you can see on your screen we are showing a simple demo. So this demo is actually showing the images in pagination form. So we are on the first page and we can navigate to the second page. The next two images will show, and same goes with the third page as well. So it also shows you the current page on it, highlights the current page, and we also have these previous page, next page controls available. So this is actually the library I'm talking about. If you navigate to npmjs.com and just search for this package, which is React pagination library, this is actually the name of the package. So just search for this. So I have already installed it. So after installing it, let me just show you the full example. So just make a simple functional component and then you need to import this package. So for importing it, we use the import statement, which will be coming from this React pagination library. So let me just open the zoom it tool. So we import this package here, which is 6 kilobytes of size. And for this, we also need to import the CSS file of this package as well. So it is located inside the build directory, then CSS, then index.css. This is just a CSS file that we are importing. First of all, the package, then the CSS file of that package. And now we are paginating these 6 images that I have inside my assets directory. So these 6 images, you can take your own images as well. It can be any form of data. You can even fetch data from a REST API. But we are just taking example of images here in this example. So I just imported all the 6 images using the import statement. You can see one by one we imported all these 6 images. So after importing it, now we need to declare some state variables for doing the pagination. So now we need to construct the array here, which will contain all the images. So after doing this, now we need to tell how many images that we want to display. So images per page, so I will say 2. And then we also need a variable for keeping track of the current page inside the pagination. So we declare useState. So initial value will be the first page. So useState 1, images per page will be 2, and these are the images. We have constructed this array. So now after this we need to also calculate the index of the last page. So this will be a simple math here that I will be doing. Current page multiplied by images per page and the index of first image. So this will be index of last image minus the images per page. So this is simple math formula here. Index of last image, index of first image. We need these two variables for the pagination. And then we also need a variable which will be current images, which we will be slicing it based upon the index of first image, which we calculated, and index of last image. So now for showing the pagination controls, we will align everything in the center position. So I will just give these classes text align center, padding it's 20 pixel. After this we have the heading. And inside this, once again, we will just align this div in the center position. So inside this, we will loop through the images. So this current images map, and for each image, we will be showing this image tag, and here we'll be passing the properties. First of all, the key and the source, and we will just style this image, providing a width of 200 pixel and a height of 150 pixel and a border radius of 8 pixel to just round the image. So if you refresh your application, you will see two images by default will show, because we configured this inside the variable that we only want to show two images per page. So it is showing the first page in the pagination, and now we also need to show the pagination controls. So just outside this div, we will render this component which is pagination, and this component takes some options right here. First of all, here you need to provide the current page, and then it also takes the total number of pages which will be there in the pagination. So this can be calculated using this formula here, math.sil. It's a math function, and here we pass images dot length, total images divided by the images per page. So this will give us the total number of pages. So if you refresh now, you will see that by default 3 pages have been there. So it is highlighted by this green color. So but we can't click on individual pages. So now to bind that as well, so we need to just uh, give this property which is change current page, and here you need to bind a function. So whenever you click any of the individual pages, this callback function will execute. So here we just need to define this function. So when you click on individual page, this function will execute, passing it, and the page number will automatically get passed in this function. So here we just need to change the current page. We can easily do this by calling this hook function set current page, and we'll be changing that current page to the clicked page. So now if you refresh your application, you will be able to navigate to the second page. Now the next two images will show. Same goes with the third page as well. So now the pagination is working. So if you also want to provide a customized theme, there is an option right here. You can provide the pagination theme right here as well. There is a theme option available, and you can even show the current page in the H2. So we can simply say current page, and we can render out this variable current page so that the user can see which page they are on. So you can see current page is 1. If I navigate to the second page, now it will show the current page is 2. If I navigate to the third page, then it shows current page is 3. So in this way, you can implement a nice little pagination inside your React.js application. So this data can be anything. It can be images, it can be text as well. So you can fetch data from a database or API. So I'm just taking a simple example. So all the source code that I used in this video is given in the description of this video. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.